First, unplug the power cable. Next, loosen this thumb screw. The power supply will now slide out of the cabinet. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.